Good morning, students. Let's start with practice set 41. The fifth one was that fill in the blanks. Here, the principal is given 4,200, rate of interest that is 7, time 3 years. They need to find interest and amount. It's a simple one. P into R into T upon 100. That is 4,200 into 7 into 3 upon 100. 100 cut. So 42 into 7 into 3, that comes up to 882. Now we got the interest, that is 882. What's the amount formula? That is principal plus interest. So what's our principal? 4,200 plus interest 882. Altogether 4,200 plus 882 is 5,082. So amount is 5,082. The second one, they are not given us the principal. We need to find the principal. Rate of interest is 6, time is 4 years, interest is 1200, and we need to find amount also. So what are the two things to be found? Principal and amount. So first we'll find principal. Here also we use the same formula, that is interest formula. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So what's our I? Interest, that is 1200 rupees, is equal to principal, which we don't know. So we'll keep it P into rate of interest 6 and the tenure 4 upon 100. Now we are taking this 100 to the left hand side. 1200 into 100 upon 6 into 4. So here 4, 25, near 1, 200. So 0, 0 and 25 into 2, 50. So 5,000. So we came to know principal is 5,000 rupees. And now we need to find amount, that is P plus I. Principal we found, that is 5,000 plus interest 1200, that is 5,000 plus 1200, that comes up to 6,200. So our amount is 6,200 and our principal is 5,000. The third sum, principal is 8,000, rate of interest 5, time we need to find, interest 800, amount we need to find. So first we'll find time. So we'll use the same formula. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. What is our I? Interest, that is 800, is equal to principal 8,000 into rate 5 into time upon 100. Now 100 we are taking to the left hand side with 800. So 800 into 100 upon 8,000 into 5. So we will remove all these zeros whatever possible. 2, 2, one more 0 goes. Here 8 and 8 get cuts. 5, 2 times. So time we got 2 years. Now we need to find amount. Amount, what's the formula? Principal plus interest. So what's our principal? 8,000 plus interest 800. So 8,000 plus 800, that comes up to 8,800. So our amount is 8,800 and our time is 2 years. Let's move for the fourth sum. In this case, they have not given us the principal. They have given only rate of interest, that is 5%. Time we don't know. Interest 6,000 and amount 18,000. So we need to find principal as well as time. So here is a bit change. We'll first find out the principal. For that we'll use the amount formula, that is A is equal to P plus I. What is our amount? That is 18,000 is equal to P, we don't know, plus interest 6,000. So 18,000 minus 6,000, we get the principal, that is 12,000. Principal we get 12,000. Now for time we'll use the same formula. I is equal to P into R upon T upon 100. Interest we got, that is 6,000 is equal to principal, now we got, that is 12,000 into 5 into T upon 100. So 100 we are taking to the 6000 side, that is on the left hand side, to find time. So 6000 into 100 upon 12,000 into 5. 3 zeros. 5 and 100, that is 20. 12 and 6 ones are this 2. And 2 in 20, that goes to 10 times. So your time is 10 years and your principal is 12,000. Here principal we don't know. Rate of interest is 2.5. Time 5 years. Interest 2,400. Amount we don't know. So we need to find principal as well as amount. So for finding, first we'll find principal. For finding principal, we'll use that formula. I is equal to P into R into T on 100. Here I, that is 2,400. P we don't know. Rate of interest 2.5 into time, that is 5 upon 100. Here 2.5 we are going to convert it. So it is 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. So it will be written like this: 2,400 is equal to P into 5 upon 2 into 5 and 100 into 2. We are taking 102 to the other side. So that is 2,400 into 100 into 2. When 5 upon 2 goes on the other side, it goes into the reciprocal format. So it is 2 upon 5. Here 5 one time, 20, 5 one time, 4. So 4 2s are 8 and 2400 into 8. That comes up to 19,200. Principal is 19,200. Now what's the next we need to find? That is amount. That is principal plus I. So what's our principal? That is 19,200. And what's our interest? That is 2,400. So 19,200 plus 2,400, that comes up to 21,600. So our amount is 21,600 and our principal is 19,200.